In the skies, two fierce competitors soar, the eagle and the falcon. Eagles are known for their powerful build and keen eyesight. Falcons, however, are the speed demons of the avian world. They can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour. Eagles primarily hunt larger prey using strength and strategy. Falcons rely on agility, catching smaller birds mid-flight. But which bird truly dominates the skies? It depends on the contact of their environment. Eagles thrive in open terrains while falcons prefer urban areas. Ultimately, both are incredible in their own right. So, who reigns supreme? You decide.